Taking a look at BTC, we have Gensler speaking at about 11 a.m. EST, and whenever that guy touches a mic, BTC does like to dump. We did get a sweep of the Monday low here, but being that we're like revisiting this level and not seeing a whole lot of buying power come out of here, I do think that it bodes well going into Gensler that we are going to see some kind of another sweep here. Now, the first two zones, and I've talked a little bit about this in the Discord, that I would be looking for a long position. If we go ahead and pull up this channel here locally, I think that we could see just how well respected this channel has been in the past. And if price were to, get kind of a dip here, it does coincide well with the previous month high, of course, then sweeping the Monday low, hold the channel, reclaim, get a move up. Reclaiming 68K is very key for me if we do reclaim this level, even if it comes from here. If price did, out of the blue suddenly find the strength here and reclaim this zone, that would be a pretty bullish sign for me. I would then, start to consider that the low actually is in here and we can look for some kind of a long setup. However, right now I'm still looking for price to either sweep this low here or get a little bit of a further move down. And so I was originally looking to long this zone here because we do have a daily naked session point of control. We also have the previous month high at the bottom of this channel. There's a little bit of confluence here, right? However, there's a daily naked point of control at about 65,700, and it doesn't sit well with me that price would get so close and then not go ahead and clean that up, especially when if we, go ahead and hop onto H4 here, we do have a really nice H4 order block that does line up beautifully with that daily naked session point of control. So essentially, just to break it down, this zone here for me, yes, we could get that bounce off the channel, everything that I just shared there. However, it's a zone that I would rather wait to see the reaction for, look for a reclaim of Monday low, and then, I'll go ahead and take some local setup here after the confirmation has been made. However, when it comes to this zone here, I'm simply going to set limit bids down here with my stop below this low, and then look for price to start reclaiming levels. To me, if price does get a move down here, it's not going to spend a lot of time here, and the odds would be so good that for me it would be hard to ignore putting risk out there, being that again, just being able to long here for a 5-hour trade with my stop below this very strong, in my opinion, strong low here, it would be too hard to pass up. So I'm simply going to set limit bids here. And if, again, price does find strength in this zone, cool, great. I'll go ahead and watch for some kind of a local setup and then take it from there. But altogether, I think it's worthwhile just, keeping an eye on how price behaves. I would say sometime in the next few hours here, we should be seeing one of these two levels get hit.